Are you looking for ways to accelerate your app growth? Well, you're in luck because we have a solution for you. Here at MonetizeMore, we have a team of experts for monetizing publisher apps using in-app advertising. We can help you create customizable app monetization strategies that will ensure maximum revenue for ads. Over 1,000 publishers have trusted MonetizeMore, including well-known app partners like Breezometer, PlantSnap, IEC Games, Unico Studio, and more. MonetizeMore also help publishers to get access to a wide range of premium demand partners and increase the ad revenue potential of their apps. According to a recent survey, app advertising, or mobile advertising, has grown in numbers to be the leading form of advertising. Advertisers across the globe spend more money on mobile devices and are expected to exceed TV, print media, desktop, and radio combined. That's a massive opportunity for in-app monetization. In-app advertising is a great way to monetize even the free apps to the users, so it becomes easier to reach out to a bigger pool of audience when there's no cost to download. The app publishers have full control on what type of advertisers bid for their inventory and set floor prices. Publishers can choose from a variety of ad formats to serve on their apps. These engaging ad formats allow apps to seamlessly capture user experience that isn't disruptive. Let our experts guide you to choose from a wide range of high-impact ad units, such as static banners, playable ads, interstitials, and rewarded videos. These interactive and engaging ad placements create a clean experience for your users. MonetizeMore also provides great advantages and services to app publishers, such as accurate app placement recommendations for publisher apps, hassle-free implementations of app tags, and a step-by-step information guide to publishers. We provide multiple app ad format options that boost the user engagement and yield potential inside the mobile space on apps. We also provide monetization of apps via AdX Demand and all the Google-certified open bidding partners. 24/7 assistance to publishers for any kind of technical help on issues related to ad serving and optimization. Our optimization techniques help the pubs to take their revenue numbers to the next level, leading to higher monetization potential. Monthly scheduled reports to publishers to keep track of the performance of their apps. Publishers can also choose to connect monthly or quarterly with our team to discuss the action plans to improve the performance, new technologies, better opportunities, and more for their apps. With our Pub Guru dashboard, publishers can measure their app's performance from day one. Pub Guru offers robust reporting and analytics tools, which helps to build customized reports that exactly suit your needs. Partner with us for all your app monetization needs so you can simply focus on making amazing apps. If you want to learn more about app monetization, you can visit our website at www.monetizemore.com. Accelerate your app growth today.